दत्त श्री गुरु दत्त
जय गुरु 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 दत्त श्री गुरु दत्त
श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्रीपादवल्लभ नरसिंह सरस्वती श्री गुरुदत्तात्रेयाय नमः। श्री गणपति सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरुभ्यो नमो नमः। Jai Guru Datta and welcome to Datta Arpanam with your hostess Ravita Singh. Unfortunately, Rishi could not join me today, but on behalf of both of us, Swagatam and thank you for tuning in to Datta Arpanam, a showcase of the life, music and teachings of His Holiness Paramapujya Dr. Shri 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 Ganapati Satchidananda Swamiji of Avadhuta Dattapitam in Mysuru. Today's program begins with the offering of pranams, gratitude and this invocation prayer at the sacred feet of beloved Sadgurudeva Pujya Shri Swamiji, as this program, possible only through His divine grace, is offered to him. Please join Pujya Shri 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 Datta Vijayananda Tirtha Swamiji now in worship.
श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। श्रीपादवल्लभ नरसिंह सरस्वती श्री गुरुदत्तात्रेयाय नमः। श्री गणपति सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। श्रीभूयुत श्रीहरिचिह्निताभ्याम् अगस्त्यरेखादिभिरञ्चिताभ्याम् निगूढबीजाक्षरमुद्रिताभ्याम् नमो नमः सद्गुरुपादुकाभ्याम्। गणपति गुरुमेकं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं विबुधनिवहसेव्यं योगमार्गाधिरूढं शरणमुपगतानामार्तिसङ्घाद्रिवज्रं मम हृदयनिवासं भक्तिनम्रो नमामि भक्तिनम्रो नमामि।
Once again, everyone, Swagatam, and thank you for tuning in to this morning's episode of Datta Arpanam. Today's program is being brought to you through the kind courtesy of Ramlal Educational Institute of Number 12 Exchange Lots, Couva, Valini's Drug Mart Limited of 58 to 60 Sutton Street, San Fernando, Debe Supermart Limited of 182 SS Erin Road, Debe, and Kokie Supermart Limited of 14 Naparima Mayaro Road, San Fernando. This coming Tuesday is a very special day for Trinidad and Tobago. This coming Tuesday marks the 23rd anniversary of the consecration of the 85-foot Lord Hanuman Murti in Karapi Chaima in Trinidad. The vision and work of Parama Pujya Sri Ganapati Satchidananda Swamiji or Pujya Datta Ji, this Murti has not only served as a source of protection and solace for this Hanuman land, as Pujya Datta Ji has previously referred to Trinidad, but the Murti is also a tourist attraction for both Hindus and non-Hindus alike. And so, as we prepare for that auspicious commemoration this coming Tuesday, and as we prepare for Pujya Datta Ji's arrival in Trinidad 2 Tuesdays after that, today on Datta Arpanam, you will hear some interesting facts about Lord Hanuman and his worship. But not only will we hear about his worship, but we will also join in worshipping that great Bhakta, that great role model to Vanaras and humans alike, Lord Hanuman. First though, as always, today's contemplation begins with the worship of Lord Ganapati. Please open the Bhajan Mala app or visit the website www.bhajanmala.com, enter Bhajan ID number 9 and join in singing today's first bhajan.
Gam Gam Ganapati Gam Gam Ganapati Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Gam Gam Ganapati Gam Gam Ganapati Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Gam Gam Ganapati Gam Gam Ganapati Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Gam Gam Ganapati Gam Gam Ganapati Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
Gam Gam Ganapati Gam Gam Ganapati Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
Gam Gam Ganapati Gam Gam Ganapati Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
Gam Gam Ganapati Gam Gam Ganapati Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय श्रीगणेशाय नमः.
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय श्रीगणेशाय नमः.
मोदहस्ताय रक्तवर्णाय लम्बोदराय नमः.
मोदहस्ताय रक्तवर्णाय लम्बोदराय नमः.
हस्तिवदनाय सूक्ष्मनेत्राय सर्पसूत्राय नमः.
हस्तिवदनाय सूक्ष्मनेत्राय सर्पसूत्राय नमः.
बुद्धिप्रदाय सिद्धिनाथाय पाशहस्ताय नमः.
बुद्धिप्रदाय सिद्धिनाथाय पाशहस्ताय नमः.
गम गम गणपति गम गम गणपति गम गणपतये नमः.
गम गम गणपति गम गम गणपति गम गणपतये नमः.
गम गम गणपति गम गम गणपति गम गणपतये नमः.
गम गम गणपति गम गम गणपति गम गणपतये नमः.
नाट्यप्रियाय गौरीसुताय नमः
अर्धरूपाय नाट्यप्रियाय गौरीसुताय नमः
दुर्गाप्रियाय दुरितदूराय दुःखहरणाय नमः
दुर्गाप्रियाय दुरितदूराय दुःखहरणाय नमः
प्रथमवन्द्याय पापनाशाय परमात्मने नमः
प्रथमवन्द्याय पापनाशाय परमात्मने नमः
सकलविद्याय साधुवन्द्याय सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः
सकलविद्याय साधुवन्द्याय सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः
गं गं गणपति गं गं गणपति गं गणपतये नमः
गं गं गणपति गं गं गणपति गं गणपतये नमः
गं गं गणपति गं गं गणपति गं गणपतये नमः
गं गं गणपति गं गं गणपति गं गणपतये नमः
गं गं गणपति गं गं गणपति गं गणपतये नमः
गं गं गणपति गं गं गणपति गं गणपतये नमः
गं गणपतये नमः गं गणपतये नमः गं गणपतये नमः गं गणपतये नमः गं गणपतये नमः गं गणपतये नमः गं गणपतये नमः गं गणपतये नमः
Lord Ganapati, who was worshipped in that bhajan, wears the face of an elephant, while Lord Hanuman wears the face of a monkey. Their forms may look different to our human forms, yet both Lord Ganapati and Lord Hanuman are reverentially worshipped and deeply loved in this country. You were just listening to Parama Pujya Sri Ganapati Satchidananda Datta Ji as he worshipped Lord Ganapati on a special edition of Datta Arpanam, which is being dedicated to Lord Hanuman. Thank you for tuning in to this morning's Hour of Contemplation, which is coming to you on 103.1 FM through the grace of Pujya Sri Datta Ji, and thanks to the sponsorship by Ramlal Educational Institute, Debe Supermart Limited, Valini's Drug Mart Limited, and Kokie Supermart Limited. During Mahashivaratri celebrations in Mysuru, India earlier this year, the SGS Datta Venu program was launched. This is an initiative of Pujya Dattaji's which aims to teach everyone how to play the flute. And to help students in this venture, a YouTube channel, SGS Datta Venu, was launched, and short tutorials on flute playing are posted to this channel on a regular basis in several different languages, including English. In addition to this, there's a free app called SGS Datta Venu. And on this app, not only are there flute lessons taught directly by Pujya Datta Ji, but there are also lessons taught by various teachers in the program. And again, these lessons are taught in various languages. So, for example, if you only want to see the English lessons, you can select English from the list of available languages and only see the flute lessons which are delivered in English. But by now, if you know Pujya Datta Ji or if you know anything of him, you will know that pre-recorded lessons on YouTube and the SGS Datta Venu app are not enough for him. He is always so determined to make things easier for us, to help us, to uplift us, and to guide us in every possible way. And so it should come as no surprise that on the SGS Datta Venu app, there are also online classes for which interested persons can register. Once you register, based on your preferred language, you are assigned to a particular teacher, and once a week, the teacher meets online with his students to conduct quite personalized flute instruction lessons. Listeners, as a student of SGS Datta Venu, I can personally vouch for the fact that these classes are not in any way stress-inducing. In fact, they are quite the opposite. They are extremely enjoyable and invigorating. I can definitely say that I look forward to flute class every single week. So be sure to check out the SGS Datta Venu, that's VENU, Venu. Be sure to check out the SGS Datta Venu YouTube channel and download the free SGS Datta Venu app. Flute playing is a divine hobby, a divine art. So take advantage of this opportunity to learn this beautiful instrument. But of all things, why speak about the flute today? Most of us are familiar with the link between the flute and Sri Krishna. But on an episode of Datta Arpanam, which is being dedicated to Lord Hanuman, why lead with mention of the flute? Well, the story behind this will be shared right after this next bhajan. Please open the Bhajan Mala app or website once again, this time to bhajan ID number 318, and join in welcoming Mother Goddess into the temple of your mind. May she, always residing there, bless you all.
मानसमन्दिरवासिनि भासय विशालकोमलकान्तिम् मदालसे शिवसुन्दरि वर्धय निजात्मभावनकिरणम् 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 परशिवदयिते विकासभरिते नानाजीवाकारे परशिवदयिते विकासभरिते नानाजीवाकारे अवगति मुदिते अनन्यविदिते अचले अमले देवी अवगति मुदिते अनन्यविदिते अचले अमले देवी मानसमन्दिरवासिनि भासय विशालकोमलकान्तिम् मदालसे शिवसुन्दरि वर्धय निजात्मभावनकिरणम् मानसमन्दिरवासिनि भासय विशालकोमलकान्तिम् मदालसे शिवसुन्दरि वर्धय निजात्मभावनकिरणम् विलससि बहुधा सुयोगशरणं बुद्धेर्वाचां पारे विलससि बहुधा सुयोगशरणं बुद्धेर्वाचां पारे परमपि मधुरे सुभक्तिरुचिरे शरणो वरणीयासि परमपि मधुरे सुभक्तिरुचिरे शरणो वरणीयासि मानसमन्दिरवासिनि भासय विशालकोमलकान्तिम् मदालसे शिवसुन्दरि वर्धय निजात्मभावनकिरणम् मानसमन्दिरवासिनि भासय विशालकोमलकान्तिम् मदालसे शिवसुन्दरि वर्धय निजात्मभावनकिरणम् सुललितहृदये सदैव सदये नूनं त्वं मे माता सुललितहृदये सदैव सदये नूनं त्वं मे माता गुरुवररूपे सरससंलापे भवती सच्चिदानन्दा गुरुवररूपे सरससंलापे भवती सच्चिदानन्दा मानसमन्दिरवासिनि भासय विशालकोमलकान्तिम् मदालसे शिवसुन्दरि वर्धय निजात्मभावनकिरणम् मानसमन्दिरवासिनि भासय विशालकोमलकान्तिम् मदालसे शिवसुन्दरि वर्धय निजात्मभावनकिरणम् 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 निजात्मभावनकिरणम्
With just 16 days left before Paramapujya Sri Ganapati Satchidananda Dattaji graces Trinidad with his physical presence, how wonderful it is to feel his subtle presence when we hear him worship Mother Goddess as he just did. You are listening to Datta Arpanam, which is coming to you on 103.1 FM through the grace of Pujya Sri Dattaji and thanks to the sponsorship by Ramlal Educational Institute, Debe Supermart Limited, Valini's Drug Mart Limited and Kokie Supermart Limited. Today, ahead of the 23rd anniversary of the consecration of Trinidad and Tobago's 85-foot Lord Hanuman Murti in Karapi, Chaima, the focus of contemplation on Datta Arpanam is Lord Hanuman. Before today's Devi Bhajan, you heard about SGS Datta Venu, an initiative launched by Pujya Dattaji to help persons to learn to play the bansuri or the flute. But you also heard that there was a specific reason why this was mentioned today in particular, on a day when we are celebrating Lord Hanuman. Well, the story goes like this. During Mahavishnu's incarnation as Lord Rama, Lord Hanuman had promised the saints that he would ask Lord Rama to give them Atma Jnana, or knowledge of the true self, the highest knowledge there is, moksha in other words. But after slaying Ravana, Sri Rama was in a hurry to head back to Ayodhya because if he was late, Bharata had said that he would end his life by entering a fire. On their way to Ayodhya, Lord Rama and his entourage stopped for a few minutes at the hermitage of sage Bharadvaja. While there, the saints reminded Lord Hanuman to ask Sri Rama to bless them with Atma Jnana. Lord Hanuman, however, could see that Lord Rama was tense. Bharata had threatened to enter the fire if Sri Rama did not return by a certain time, and now time was running out for the Lord to get back to his brother. So then, why visit sage Bharadwaja if time was running out? Well, being always true to his word, Lord Rama stopped at the hermitage of sage Bharadwaja because he had promised the sage that he would do so. But now that they were tight on time, Lord Hanuman could sense how tense Lord Rama was. Still though, the courageous Lord Hanuman approached Sri Rama and told him that the saints were seeking Atma Jnana. The Lord was in a hurry, yet his kind heart could not refuse the prayer of the saints. But since Atma Jnana is a big subject and cannot be given in a 10-minute discourse, Sri Rama promised the saints that he would give them Atma Jnana during his next incarnation as Sri Krishna. That promise was made by Lord Rama in Treta Yuga. When in Dwapara Yuga, Lord Sri Hari incarnated as Sri Krishna, all of those saints, all of the saints who were just spoken about, they took the forms of women and surrounded Sri Krishna in the form of gopis. Meanwhile, Lord Hanuman took the form of the bamboo and turned into a Venu or a flute. Sri Krishna held the flute and made the sound of Omkara through it. Pujya Dattaji has said that when we play that note Sa on the flute, that is the sound of Omkara. But why is this important? Well, right now, in this age of Kali, we are mostly occupied with thoughts of the body, the mind, and the intellect. When our thinking gets elevated, when our focus gets elevated, by Datta's grace, it will one day reach the height of Omkara. Omkara symbolizes Atma Jnana. By playing the flute for the gopis, Sri Krishna, who is Paramatma himself, blessed those saints turned gopis with Atma Jnana. And so, listeners, by encouraging us and teaching us to play the flute, Pujya Dattaji is not only giving us a fun way to practice daily pranayama or do daily breathing exercises, but he is also blessing us to be close to Lord Rama, Sri Krishna, and Lord Hanuman. He is blessing us also with the sound of Omkara. Now let us, having heard that story about Lords Rama, Krishna, and Hanumanji, join in worshipping them. As usual, words to each of the next 3 bhajans can be found on the Bhajanmala app or website.
Ramam Ramam Raghuramam Hari Ramam Ramam Raghuramam Hari Ramam Ramam Raghuramam Hari Ramam Ramam Raghuramam Hari कल्प तरुरामं हरि भार्गव रामम् अप्रमेयं भार्गव रामम् अप्रमेयं तारक रामं श्रीरघुरामं तारक रामं श्रीरघुरामं रामं रामं रघुरामं हरि रामं रामं रघुरामं हरि रघुरामं हरि रघुरामं हरि सत्यनिरञ्जन राम राम सत्यावतार राम राम सत्यनिरञ्जन राम राम सत्यावतार राम राम
सत्यानिरञ्जन राम राम सत्यावतार राम राम
ज्ञाननिरञ्जन राम राम ज्ञानावतार राम राम ज्ञाननिरञ्जन राम राम ज्ञानावतार राम राम रामं रामं रघुरामं हरि रामं रामं रघुरामं हरि रघुरामं हरि रघुरामं धर्मनिरञ्जन राम राम धर्मावतार राम राम धर्मनिरञ्जन राम राम धर्मावतार राम राम केशव माधव राम राम नारायण माधव राम राम केशव माधव राम राम नारायण माधव राम राम रामं रामं रघुरामं हरि रामं रामं रघुरामं हरि रघुरामं हरि मानव भूषण राम राम उत्तम उत्तम राम राम मानव भूषण राम राम उत्तम उत्तम राम राम दीनबन्धु राम राम दीनदाता राम राम दीनबन्धु राम राम दीनदाता राम राम रामं रामं रघुरामं हरि रामं रामं रघुरामं हरि रघुरामं हरि हरे राम हरे राम हरे राम रघुराम 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 हरे राम हरे राम हरे राम रघुराम 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 सच्चिदानंद राम राम सत्य प्रतिज्ञा राम राम सच्चिदानंद राम राम सत्य प्रतिज्ञा राम राम रामं रामं रघुरामं हरि रामं रामं रघुरामं हरि रामं रामं బాలగోపాలకో విజయతే విజయతే గోపికా నాయకో విజయతే విజయతే బాలగోపాలకో
విజయతే విజయతే
గోపికా నాయకో
విజయతే విజయతే
బాలగోపాలకో విజయతే విజయతే గోపికా నాయకో విజయతే విజయతే బాలగోపాలకో
విజయతే విజయతే
గోపికా నాయకో విజయతే విజయతే బాలగోపాలకో విజయతే విజయతే గోపికా నాయకో విజయతే విజయతే బాలగోపాలకో
విజయతే విజయతే
గోపికా నాయకో విజయతే విజయతే ಅದರ ಕಲಿತ ತರಳ ಮುರಳಿ ಪರಿಣತೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಅದರ ಕಲಿತ ತರಳ ಮುರಳಿ ಪರಿಣತೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಮುರಳಿ ರವಳಿ ಜನಿತ ವಿತ ನಿಗಮಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಮುರಳಿ ರವಳಿ ಜನಿತ ವಿತ ನಿಗಮಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿತತ ನಿಗಮ ವಿತತ ವಿದತಿ ಮಹಿಮಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿತತ ನಿಗಮ ವಿತತಿ ವಿದಿತ ಮಹಿಮಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿದಿತ ಮಹಿಮ ವಿಭುತ ವಿನುತ ಪದಯುಗೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿದಿತ ಮಹಿಮ ವಿಭುತ ವಿನುತ ಪದಯುಗೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಬಾಲಗೋಪಾಲಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ನಾಯಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಬಾಲಗೋಪಾಲಕೋ
ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ
ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ನಾಯಕೋ
ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ
ಬಾಲಗೋಪಾಲಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ನಾಯಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಬಾಲಗೋಪಾಲಕೋ
ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ
ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ನಾಯಕೋ
ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ
ಚಪಲ ಚರಣ ಥಕಿಟ ಥಕಿಟ ಪಟುಗಟ ಸ್ಪಂದನಾತ್ ಕಾಳಿಯಾಖ್ಯನಾಗ ಶಿರಸ್ ಘಟಿತ ನಟನ ಕೋವಿದೋ ಚಪಲ ಚರಣ ಥಕಿಟ ಥಕಿಟ ಪಟುಗಟ ಸ್ಪಂದನಾತ್ ಕಾಳಿಯಾಖ್ಯನಾಗ ಶಿರಸ್ ಘಟಿತ ನಟನ ಕೋವಿದೋ ವಲ್ಲಭಿ ವಿಲಾಸಗಾಸ್ ವಾಸುರೋರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಯಕೋ ಚಿಲ್ಲತಾ ಲತಾಂತ ಕಾಂತಿ ತಂತುರೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಚಿಲ್ಲತಾ ಲತಾಂತ ಕಾಂತಿ ತಂತುರೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಬಾಲಗೋಪಾಲಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ನಾಯಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಬಾಲಗೋಪಾಲಕೋ
ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ
ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ನಾಯಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಗಗನ ದಗನ ಹರಣ ನಿಪುಣ ವಿಪುಲ ವಿಮಲ ಮುಖತಟೋ ದಹರ ಗಗನ ವಸತಿ ರಸಿಕ ಲಲಿತ ಚರಣ ಯುಗಳಕೋ ಗಗನ ದಗನ ಹರಣ ನಿಪುಣ ವಿಪುಲ ವಿಮಲ ಮುಖತಟೋ ದಹರ ಗಗನ ವಸತಿ ರಸಿಕ ಲಲಿತ ಚರಣ ಯುಗಳಕೋ ಧನುಜ ದಮನ ವಿಬುಧ ಚರಣ ಚಣನಿ ಜೋರು ವಿಕ್ರಮೋ ಮಹಿತ ಸಚಿದಾನಂದ ಸುಂದರಾತ್ಮಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಧನುಜ ದಮನ ವಿಬುಧ ಚರಣ ಚಣನಿ ಜೋರು ವಿಕ್ರಮೋ ಮಹಿತ ಸಚಿದಾನಂದ ಸುಂದರಾತ್ಮಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಬಾಲಗೋಪಾಲಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ನಾಯಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಬಾಲಗೋಪಾಲಕೋ
विजयते विजयते
ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ನಾಯಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಬಾಲಗೋಪಾಲಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ನಾಯಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಬಾಲಗೋಪಾಲಕೋ
विजयते विजयते
ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ನಾಯಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಬಾಲಗೋಪಾಲಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ ಗೋಪಿಕಾ ನಾಯಕೋ ವಿಜಯತೆ ವಿಜಯತೆ
ಆಂಜನೇಯ ವಿಮಲ ನಿರಂಜನ
ಆಂಜನೇಯ
ಜಗದಾಪ್ಯಾಯನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ವಿಮಲ ನಿರಂಜನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಜಗದಾಪ್ಯಾಯನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ
ವಿಮಲ ನಿರಂಜನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ
ಜಗದಾಪ್ಯಾಯನ
ಆಂಜನೇಯ ವಿಮಲ ನಿರಂಜನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಮೂಲ ಪ್ರಾಣೇಶ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಮೂಲ ಪ್ರಾಣೇಶ ಓಕೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಮೂಲ ಪ್ರಾಣೇಶ
ಜಯ ಜಯ ಮೂಲ ಪ್ರಾಣೇಶ
ಮೂಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಪರಿನಾಶ ಮೂಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಪರಿನಾಶ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನೇಶ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಜ್ಞಾನೇಶ ಶುದ್ಧ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾಸ ಶುದ್ಧ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾಸ ಶುದ್ಧ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾಸ ಶುದ್ಧ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾಸ ಜಗದಾಪ್ಯಾಯನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ವಿಮಲ ನಿರಂಜನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಜಗದಾಪ್ಯಾಯನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ವಿಮಲ ನಿರಂಜನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ನಿತ್ಯ ವಿವೇಚನ ಕಪಿವೀರ ನಿತ್ಯ ವಿವೇಚನ ಕಪಿವೀರ ನಿತ್ಯ ವಿವೇಚನ ಕಪಿವೀರ
ನಿತ್ಯ ವಿವೇಚನ ಕಪಿವೀರ
ಸ್ನೇಹ ಗುಣಾನ್ವಿತ ರಾಮ ಸಖ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಗುಣಾನ್ವಿತ ರಾಮ ಸಖ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಗುಣಾನ್ವಿತ ರಾಮ ಸಖ
ದೇಹ ಗುಣಾನ್ವಿತ ರಾಮ ಸಖ
ಕಾಂತಿಮಯಾದ್ಭುತ ಕಮನೀಯ ಕಾಂತಿಮಯಾದ್ಭುತ ಕಮನೀಯ ಕಾಂತಿಮಯಾದ್ಭುತ ಕಮನೀಯ
ಕಾಂತಿಮಯಾದ್ಭುತ ಕಮನೀಯ
ಅಪ್ರತಿಗತ ಗತಿ ಸಂಪನ್ನ ಅಪ್ರತಿಗತ ಗತಿ
ಸಂಪನ್ನ
ಅಪ್ರತಿಗತ ಗತಿ ಸಂಪನ್ನ
ಅಪ್ರತಿಗತ ಗತಿ ಸಂಪನ್ನ
ಜಗದಾಪ್ಯಾಯನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ವಿಮಲ ನಿರಂಜನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಜಗದಾಪ್ಯಾಯನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ವಿಮಲ ನಿರಂಜನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ತೊಂಗಿ ಮರುತ್ಸತ ನಾಮಾಸಿ ತೊಂಗಿ ಮರುತ್ಸತ ನಾಮಾಸಿ ಅಖಿಲ ಮರುದ್ಗಣ ಸಾರೋಸಿ ಅಖಿಲ ಮರುದ್ಗಣ ಸಾರೋಸಿ ದುಃಖ ನಿವಾರಣ ಶೀಲೋಸಿ ದುಃಖ ನಿವಾರಣ ಶೀಲೋಸಿ ನೂನಂ ಪ್ರಣವ ಕಾರೋಸಿ ನೂನಂ ಪ್ರಣವ ಕಾರೋಸಿ ನೂನಂ ಪ್ರಣವ ಕಾರೋಸಿ ನೂನಂ ಪ್ರಣವ ಕಾರೋಸಿ ಜಗದಾಪ್ಯಾಯನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ವಿಮಲ ನಿರಂಜನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಜಗದಾಪ್ಯಾಯನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ವಿಮಲ ನಿರಂಜನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಜಗದಾಪ್ಯಾಯನ ಆಂಜನೇಯ हनुमान त्वं रिपु संहारी हनुमान त्वं रिपु संहारी हरिहर रूपी शुभकारी हरिहर रूप शुभकारी हरिहर रूपी शुभकारी
हरिहर रूपी शुभकारी
वेद शिखा तट संचारी वेद शिखा संचारी सच्चिदानंद स्थितिधारी सच्चिदानंद स्थितिधारी जगदाप्यायन आंजनेय विमल निरंजन आंजनेय जगदाप्यायन आंजनेय विमल निरंजन आंजनेय जगदाप्यायन आंजनेय विमल निरंजन आंजनेय विमल निरंजन आंजनेय विमल निरंजन आंजनेय विमल निरंजन आंजनेय जय बोलो वीर हनुमान की जय पवन सुत हनुमंत की
Our Hindu scriptures teach us that when Narada and Tumburu were debating who was the better musician between them, they approached Lord Hanuman. Lord Hanuman started singing, and when he did, the rock upon which Narada and Tumburu had placed their instruments melted. So sweet and so divine was the voice of Lord Hanuman. Similarly, so sweet and so divine is the voice of Paramapujya Sri Ganapati Satchidananda Dattaji that even a rock-hard heart melts upon hearing his divine voice. You were just listening to Pujya Dattaji here on Datta Arpanam. Thank you for tuning in to this morning's hour of devotion, which is coming to you on 103.1 FM through the grace of Pujya Sri Dattaji, and thanks to the sponsorship by Ramlal Educational Institute, Debe Supermart Limited, Valini's Drug Mart Limited, and Kokie Supermart Limited. As you have been hearing, this coming Tuesday will mark the 23rd anniversary of the consecration of the 85-foot Lord Hanuman Murti in Trinidad. Very often, when Lord Hanuman is being worshipped, one of the mantras we hear being chanted is the Hanuman Gayatri. Om Anjaneyaya Vidmahe Vayuputraya Dhimahi Tanno Hanuman Prachodayat. In this Hanuman Gayatri, the blessings of Lord Hanuman's mother, Anjana Devi, and his father, Vayu Devata, are sought. And think about it. When you love someone dearly, do you not love when someone worships or praises that person? So, in the Hanuman Gayatri, the beloved parents of Lord Hanuman are praised. And through doing that, the blessings of Lord Hanuman are sought. The mantra starts with the words Anjaneyaya Vidmahe. And we already said that Lord Hanuman is the son of Anjana Devi. The word Vidmahe means we are growing or we are learning. Then we see the words Vayuputraya Dhimahi. As you heard a little while ago, Lord Hanuman is the son of Vayu. Dhimahi means we are contemplating. But to be able to contemplate upon a subject, we should already know about the subject, shouldn't we? So first, we learn about Lord Hanuman. vidmahe, then we contemplate upon him, dhimahi. When we learn about Lord Hanuman or Anjaneya Swami and then contemplate upon him, what happens? Well, Tanno Hanuman Prachodayat. In discoursing upon this subject, Vedic scholar, trustee at Avadhuta Dattapitam, director of the SGS Veda Nidhi Academy and Masters Institute, and dear devotee of Pujya Dattaji, Sri Vamshi Krishna Ganapati Garu, said that many persons say Tanno Hanumat Prachodayat, but it is Tanno Hanuman Prachodayat. And that word Prachodayat is particularly beautiful. When it is said that God is protecting us, we should not think of it like a cowherd who is using a stick to beat someone who is trying to harm his cattle. Instead, how the Lord protects his devotee is by guiding the devotee's buddhi or intellect. That is true divine protection. This is what is implied by the word Prachodayat. So, through this last line of the Anjaneya Gayatri or the Hanuman Gayatri, we are asking Lord Hanuman to bless us with the right intellect and the correct choice of actions and words so that we may become successful in our lives and spared from all difficulties. So now, having heard the beautiful meaning of this divine mantra, let us once again join in chanting it. Om Anjaneyaya Vidmahe Vayuputraya Dhimahi Tanno Hanuman Prachodayat. Om Anjaneyaya Vidmahe Vayuputraya Dhimahi Tanno Hanuman Prachodayat. Om Anjaneyaya Vidmahe Vayuputraya Dhimahi Tanno Hanuman Prachodayat. The mantra to which you were just listening is the Hanuman Gayatri mantra. May Lord Hanuman bless each and every one of you. With this coming Tuesday being the anniversary of the consecration of the 85-foot Lord Hanuman Murti in Karapi, Chaima, before beginning to wrap up today's episode of Datta Arpanam, let us once again join in worshipping this Divine Lord, this role model for any devotee.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीश तिहु लोक उजागर रामदूता तुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन वरण विराज सुवेश कानन कुंडल कुंचित केश हाथ वज्र हर ध्वजा विराजय कांधे मुंज जनेऊ साजय शंकर सुवना केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिवे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिवे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा कट रूप धरि लंक जरावा भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज संवारे लाय सजीवन लखन जियाये श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लागे रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही सम भाई सहस वदन तुम्हरो यश गावै अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावै सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीशा नारद शारद सहित अहीशा यम कुबेर दिगपाल जहाते कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा राम मिलाय राजपद दीन्हा तुम्हारो मंत्र विभीषण मान लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना युग सहस्र योजन पर भानु लील्योताहि मधुर फल जानु प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माहि जलधि लांघि गई अचर जनाहि दुर्गम काज जगत जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे देते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होतन आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी शरण तुम रक्षक काहू को डरन आपन तेज सम्हारो आपै तीनों लोका हांकत कांपै भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवै महावीर जब नाम सुनावै नासै रोग घरे सब पीरा जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावै मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावै सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे चारों युग परताप तुम्हारा है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्ट सिद्धि नौ निधि के दाता असवर दीन्हा जानकी माता राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावै जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावै अंत काल रघुवर पुर जागी जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहागी और देवता चित्तन धरगी हनुमत से सर्व सुख करगी संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा जो सुमिरै हनुमत बलवीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई यह सतवार पाठ कर जोई छूटहि बंदी महा सुख होई जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा नाथ हृदय महडेरा.
What a divine note on which to start closing off today's episode of Datta Arpanam. Pranams and gratitude are offered at the divine feet of beloved Sadgurudeva, Parama Pujya Shri Ganapati Satchidananda Datta Ji and Shri Datta Vijayananda Tirtha Swami Ji, without whose teachings, compassion, love, guidance and music this program would not exist. May they forgive any errors which may have been committed in preparing or in sharing today's episode of Datta Arpanam, and may they guide us to avoid such errors in the future. Special thanks are extended to the staff at 103.1 FM and to the sponsors of Datta Arpanam: Valini's Drug Mart Limited, Ramlal Educational Institute, DB Supermart Limited, and Kokie Supermart Limited. And of course, dear listener, an extra special thank you is extended to you for sharing this devotional hour with me. If you would like to listen to today's program again, check out the Datta Arpanam Facebook page, where later this week the YouTube link for today's episode will be shared. Once again, everyone, thank you for tuning in today. You are invited to please tune in to 103.1 FM again next Sunday at 6 a.m. Atlantic Standard Time for another episode of Datta Arpanam, a showcase of the life, music and teachings of His Holiness Parama Pujya Shri Ganapati Satchidananda Datta Ji. Jai Guru Datta, everyone. Shri Guru Datta. Etat phalam Shri Sadguru Charanaravindar Panamastu. Harihi Om Tat Sat.
Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat.